Hi there, I'm Brian, and I want to do a quick demo of Managed Comics. So here we have just a regular store site. So this is my store site, the example shop. And if I click on subscriptions up here, I'm going to be taken to Managed Comics. Now, this user I've already logged in just for ease of use, but really quickly, I can see all my subscriptions that I've subscribed to. I can see quick things like the most recent catalog, which was the August 2019 catalog. From here, I can do a real quick subscribe right there, and boom, I'm subscribed. Or I can click through to an actual product and read more about it, find out what it is with my discount, and subscribe. When I go back home, boom, there's everything that I've subscribed to. I've also got some special orders. So we curate the products so that there's only about 150 new products that are released every month. But as a customer, you can literally search for anything that is in the Diamond catalog. So if I do Harley Quinn, I could say I want this t-shirt. I'm going to get a large Harley Quinn DC Joker. And as you can see, I see that its price is not available yet because the store will do that in a couple of seconds. I've also got things like most popular, links back to my website, contact us, really simple stuff. So let's go to the magic part, which is the dashboard. So when I come into Managed Comics as a store, this is what I'm going to see right off. I see my dashboard. I see that there's a pending order because Ted Cord just recently ordered a Harley Quinn t-shirt. So I'm going to process this order, which means I'm going to go through and make sure, okay, it's clothes. That's the right diamond code. It's taxable. I'm not going to give him a discount. Normally he gets a 10% discount, but for this product, I'm not giving him a discount. So it's going to be $19.95. I can change this price at this point. And at this point, he now sees what the price was. So that's our special order. I've got a quick list to link to all of my customer lists, and I can see those. When I want to pull, I can do a pull customer orders, and these things that are highlighted are the products that are shipping this week. So right off the bat, I see what's available. I hit pull, I confirm this, and in a few seconds, it's going to generate my list. But I also may want to pull my special orders before I go and do that. So I'm going to go to pull lists, pull special orders. Let's pull this t-shirt and this t-shirt because they both came in. Confirm that. And now on my dashboard, I look at view most recent pulls. This is getting emailed to me at the same time, and this tells me who gets what. I can sort this a few different ways. Maybe I want to sort it by first names because I just remember people's first names easier. I can do that. I can also sort it by custom ID or even sort it by title. Now, there's a ton of other things that we can do. There's billing orders. There is, so I can bill orders. I can fulfill orders. I can set up shipping. I can change colors and things on my store. But probably the most important thing is initial orders. If I want to generate my initial orders, I just click this little button. This is the initial amount that I need to order for everything. I hit a little export to text file, and what this will do is upload it, create a text file that I can upload to Diamond, and then have my initial orders ready to go. That is Managed Comics in a super quick nutshell, but we would be happy to talk to you and do a much more in-depth review. So give us a shout.